Okay, so we got that lower cover off, and you can see right here there's 2 bolts that have to be removed, and then we'll get replaced with longer ones that came in the kit. So I'm going to take those out now, and then we'll start actually installing the mount. Now that I got the bolts off, you can see that the mirror comes out. Now it's hanging down by the electrical cord that provides power to the turn signals that's on the front side of the mirror. So now we're going to start installing the actual camera bracket itself. All right, so we got the camera mount in there. You can see the 2 new bolts. The mount itself comes up, has a threaded hole on top, and we'll show you what that's for in a few minutes. Then we just have to put the lower cover back on, and we'll be done.